Today is the perfect day to be alive here in London, England. What we're going to do now, we are in Heathrow Airport, if I'm saying that correctly. We're about to go underground, take the Piccadilly, yes I said Piccadilly, line to Russell Square, then over to our Hostel. Do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, or the notification bell just might hit you. But this is an amazing airport, pretty busy. Everybody is so polite over here in the UK and in Europe. So, about to go out this door. We're gonna go hit the Piccadilly line and let's see what happens. I think we're gonna make it. Well, we made it. We made it. There is the train. Got my said ticket. Costing about £7. Time to get on here. Let's go before I get. That wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad. We are on the train. We are in our seat. Still got said ticket. Spent about £7. Don't know the transaction, but I do know this. At the ATM, I asked for £100, and after it was said and done, it's going to cost me $160. This European vacation has not been cheap. That's not been cheap, but it's been well worth it. Do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, or notification bell just might hit you. We are on the train. A lot of great people on the train here with me. Next stop is Russell Station, and the hostel is just about 300 meters away. Gonna have a great time. Let's go see Big Ben. Let's go see King Charles. He knows I'm coming. I'm gonna stop by and have breakfast with him. But we're gonna have a great time. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we made it. We made it. This is Russell Square. This is central London. I am happy to be here. The people are great. The people are great so far. I just can't say enough about that. But I am in London now. Where my hostel is, maybe 300 meters around. We're gonna find it. You know the YouTube etiquette. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, or the notification bell just might hit you. Stranger things happen. Let's go find the hostel. Yeah, let's go find the hostel.